Let's make this tower single column of windows out of a 2x4. It's part of a full scrap wood Christmas village. I used a 2x4 for the tower building as it can stand on its own when it's this tall. Now after marking center, I cut the roof at 45 degrees and I placed it with my other buildings to gauge the height and ensure it was the tallest, and then I cut it to 12.5 inches from the peak. See the link around this video for where to get the PDF with all of my Christmas line drawings. This is the one for the 2x4 tower that has one column of windows. Tape it into place, and I use carbon paper and a stylus to trace it on the wood. See the link around this video for where to get your pack of carbon paper with those stylus tools too. Now I couldn't make the drawing as long as the 2x4, but I'll show you how to line it up for more windows. Just untape it and move it down so that the one set of windows on the drawing is in line with the last one that you traced. Retape and then trace the new windows. Let's paint the circle at the top yellow. Now let's paint the body green. I'm painting the front and sides only at this time. I traced the 2 window column version of this pattern on the other side of this 2x4, and I'll show you that one in another video. Now let's paint the windows a nice yellow. A bigger brush that has a flat edge makes this go quickly. I'm using my black paint pen to draw the window trim. This pen has reversible points, but I like this beveled edge point so much that it's the only one I use. See the link for where to get a pen like this. If you want a more vintage look, do a light sanding. I used a sanding block wrapped in 150 grit paper, and it only took light strokes, mainly tilted on the edges, to make it look more rustic. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come on over and see me at heartwoodart.com and find out how to make more of these Christmas scrapwood pieces.